Every day, millions of students across the world rely on school buses to transport them safely to and from school. Ensuring their safety is a top priority for parents, school administrators, and communities. The safety of our students is paramount, and QOHO is constantly seeking innovative solutions to make their journey to and from school as secure as possible. One such innovation is the implementation of security devices on school buses. Installing security devices on school buses provides a wide list of benefits, such as deterrence of bad behavior inside the bus, enhancing safety, and easy monitoring of students' location. Here is our smart school bus solution that will surely provide enhanced safety for students and drivers inside the vehicle. The AI HDD Mobile DVR system with DMS, facial recognition, or RFID Reader. It comes with an AI HDD Mobile DVR, 4 pieces camera around the bus, 2 dome camera inside the bus, and a monitor. Optional, users may also install a dual camera that records front and cabin view simultaneously. It also offers smart devices like the DMS camera for driving safety. Users may also add RFID and facial recognition function to monitor the students. Here is our recent client, which operates school buses. We have installed a mobile DVR with 3 cameras that record front road, cabin view, and inside the car. The system also includes a car monitor and LED panel for the MDVR working status. The front road camera we used is the MC1205, which is a 1080p bullet-shaped camera. It can also be an ADAS camera for extra safety. For more details regarding this smart school bus solution, simply send us an inquiry through the following channel. For more product updates, please like and subscribe to our channel.